Hello students, in this video we are going to study here polyfunctional compounds and IUPAC name of the polyfunctional compound in the lesson that is basic principle of organic chemistry. Okay, so here polyfunctional compounds means organic compounds contain one or more functional groups. If it contains only one functional group, that is the monofunctional compound. Okay. And if it contains two or more functional groups, then these are called as polyfunctional compounds. Organic compound containing two or more functional groups, they are called as polyfunctional compounds. Okay. So for the polyfunctional compounds, they contain two or more functional groups. Means if two or more functional groups are there, then one is taken as a principal functional group, whereas other is considered to be a substituents. Okay. So the which types of groups taken as a principal and which functional groups taken as a substituent, the order of these is just like this. First COOH, carboxylic group. Then second is that is sulfonyl group. Then ester. Then here acid chloride. Then amide. Then cyano group. Then aldehyde. After that ketone, oxo group. Then hydroxyl group. Then amino group. Then ethylene, that is alkene. And finally lastly, yes, that is अल्काइन्स. ओके, मग या ग्रुप वरून या ऑर्डर वरून आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे. सपोज याच्यामध्ये ऍसिड ग्रुप आणि अमोनिया ग्रुप प्रेझेंट असेल तर आपल्याला प्रिन्सिपल ग्रुप कुठला घ्यायचा आहे. प्रिन्सिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप इज कन्सिडर एज अ ऍसिड ग्रुप, कार्बोक्सिलिक ग्रुप, and the substituent is considered as a amino. If there are the two groups means OH and here COCl, then COCl acid chloride is considered as a principal and OH is considered as a substituent. And if these two are present, then OH is principal and amine is substituents. Okay. For the IUPAC name for the polyfunctional group, again the IUPAC rules are same. That is, consider the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing principal functional group. Here principal functional group is main and the given next one functional group, it is considered as a substituent. Okay. So the longest continuous chain of carbon atom containing principal functional group. Then locant means give the lowest possible locant to the principal functional group. And substituent group means as usual whatever the proper means if any functional group or other substituents are present, they would give the proper number to that functional group or substituents. Okay. Then again next rules are as usual just like a IUPAC. The main rules are these and follow the order this. Okay. So consider some examples just like this. CH3CHOH, here CH, C double bond O, CH2CH3. Okay. Then CH3CH2, C CH3, here NH2, CH2, COOH. Okay. Then CH3CH, here OH, CH2, CH2, NH2. 3. Okay. In the first compound, here there are the two functional group. One is this oxo group, that is keto group. Okay. And second one, that is hydroxyl group. So first consider the longest continuous chain containing this principal. It means among this group, this one, that is CO group, which is at the first order than OH. So it is a principal functional group and this is a substituent. याला प्रिन्सिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुप कन्सिडर करायचा, याला सबस्टिट्यूएंट। मग लोकेट करायचं आहे 1 2 3 4 5 नंबरिंग 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 so numbering is from here 1 2 3 4 5 okay so here then this principal it is used as a suffix and substituent it is used as a prefix okay म्हणजे नावाच्या सुरुवातीला सबस्टिट्यूएंटचे नाव लिहायचे आणि जे मेन नाव आहे मेन हायड्रोकार्बनचं नाव आहे त्याच्या फायनलला म्हणजे त्याच्यानंतर सफिक्स मध्ये त्याच्या मागून आपल्याला काय लिहायचंय प्रिन्सिपल फंक्शनल ग्रुपचं नाव लिहायचंय। मग आता 2 नंबरवर कोण आहे हायड्रॉक्सी सो 2 हायड्रॉक्सी then 1 2 3 4 5 that is pentane pent okay then pent 3-ONE so the its name is 2 hydroxy pent 3-ONE okay next one that is CH3 CH2C CH3 NH2 CH2 COOH. Now here COOH it is at the first so this is the principal functional group and these two are the substituents. So here CH3 CH2C CH2 CH2 again if there are the again 2 or more substituents then arrange them alphabetically okay so here 1 2 3 4 5 at the 3 carbon atom first is amine and then is methyl so here 3 amino 3 methyl then for 1 2 3 4 5 that is pentanoic acid okay because this COOH principal group is at the one position there is no need to write 1 okay so it is pentanoic acid then here CH3 CHOH CH2 CH2 NH2 here OH it is considered as a principal and NH2 is considered as a substituent so here 1 2 3 4 so at the 2 there is a hydroxyl group and at the 1 2 3 4 at 4 there is a amino so here 4 amino then for 4 that is butane and 2 Al so the name is 4 amino butane for 4 butane and then at the 2 therefore here 2 and OH Al so 4 amino butane 2 al okay so after watching this video then try to attempt the IUPAC name of the following compounds. One, two, and